So I got the P51 out again after the firewall failure. I'd forgotten to reinforce it with reinforcing tape. Now it's reinforced. Because all of that and more hot glue is probably going to alter the CAG, so I think we'll be okay, because it seemed to like to fly in the sort of forward position. So well, hey, who knows? It's got a new canopy as well, new, wrong, just replaced. To get at the receiver, I had to remove the old one. It didn't survive very well, so I've now got a new one. As I say, new, really not quite the right word. Another one. Right then. Yes, I think maybe that battery is a little bit too far forward now. I don't know. Maybe not. Yeah, that's better. We haven't done anything with the colours yet, although it's now got some additional markings on it. Yeah, it's perhaps a little bit too much. It's climbing a lot. Let's try that. So I don't quite like it as much as the Spitfire, but nevertheless, you know, at the end of the day, it's just another aircraft successfully constructed using Proplex, Corex. So, you know, you've got to be happy with that. Wants a little bit of rudder that way. Oh yeah. I think I know which way it's going. Oh yes, I think so now. Yeah, it definitely needs something. Even though I've got that yellow streak on the tail, it does. Yeah, look at that. That's nice, isn't it? It does take a little bit of working out which way it's going, and it is still a little bit. I think maybe a little less rudder. Nah, but I'm not going to alter it now. It's a hellishly powerful motor that it's got, and probably overkill. But it does seem to fly all right, and as long as the firewall holds up, and that's really a matter of how hard you land it more than anything, because flying wise, the wind's behind me today. It's certainly, yeah, look at that, plenty of climb. Probably. Well, let's do some arrows then, because we know it does them. So. Oh yeah, very P51-ish. Oh yeah, definitely. So in terms of how it flies, yes, it flies a bit like a P51. It doesn't fly as well as the Spitfire. Could be any number of reasons for that. But it is a nice looking aeroplane. And it was relatively simple to convert from the foam board FT plans to Corex. Relatively, haha. Ooh, seagull. Yeah, no, you attracted to seagulls last time. I think it must be the colour. Have a feeling you can outmaneuver them though. Just got to, there must be a seagull nest around here, I guess. It's definitely pursuing it. Oh, I don't know which way you're going there. There we go. Yeah, I've got to do something with that because that's pretty tricky. You can see the yellowtail. I might actually change that yellowtail to red. That might be all I need to do. Yeah, a little less aggressive rudder mixed in. We've got 10% mixed in at the moment. I think 5% would probably be better. Let's see if we can take it out. See if that makes a difference. Whether, oh, hang on, we might have just turned it on. Oh, I think probably we've turned it on. Oh yeah, right, okay. Oh, that definitely makes a difference. Wow. Look at that. Jeez. Yep, we've turned it on. So yes, probably 5% will probably do. So now it turns on the sixpence. It flies generally well on about 55-60%. I was glad to be able to get out today. It's nice to be able to fly a couple of times a month in the winter. It's not always possible, of course. I was hoping there'd be a bit of snow on the ground. That would have been quite nice, but at the end of the day, it's not essential. I got this on 6 minutes 30 with the current. Oh dear, current battery. Goes my eyes. I think you could probably fly for longer, but we'll see. Now, the moral of this story is trying to land it without bashing it too hard. Or doing that. With no wheels, of course. It is a bit of a hit and miss. Corex is pretty robust, but with the undercambered wings, unfortunately, it can leave a bit of a crease in them. That was from last time, not this time. But generally, it's pretty good. And as I say, Corex underneath was a definite good idea on this aircraft because it's protected it completely. So we're back to the pits then, give the battery a check. Quick visual inspection, all looks good. Yes, I can see there's a little bit of differential there. Not a lot though, but sometimes that happens. There might be a bit of torque in the motor. How's that? All feels pretty good. Wind picked up a bit. Right in the eye. Okay, so get at that. Probably not. Okay, so that's about ½ inch forward. That's where I kind of figured it would need to be. Now that couldn't be any more awkward, could it? Of course it could be, but hopefully not.